Okay, the next item we are going to touch on is the offset command. So what exactly is offset command? All right, offset command makes parallel copies of the selected objects. All right, it creates line parallel at the distance away that you set. All right, and also as well as objects like this. If you want to offset from the original to the one outside, you may do so by giving us by specifying a distance away from that object. All right, so to do an offset is very straightforward. All right, very straightforward. So what you do is over here. All right, for example, I have this line, which is my original line, and I want to offset this line by a distance of 25 to the right. So to do this, I click on this icon, offset. Okay, look at the instruction now. It's asking you to specify the offset distance. So in this case, it's mentioned over here, 25. All right, and it's asking the next point, the next thing it's asking you now is select the object to offset. So you select this object, and then you specify which side you want to offset, either to the right or to the left. Now, if you want it to be to the right, you just click anywhere on the right. So this length will be offset 25 mm away from here. All right. So to make sure that you do correctly, you can dimension to just check to make sure that you have the distance 25. All right. Now, let's say I have a rectangle here that I want to offset 50 millimeter to get a similar rectangle 50 millimeter away. So to do this, you just go to offset and then specify the distance first. Very important, you must specify the distance first. In this case, 15. So it's asking you which object you want to offset. So you select this one. And it's asking you which side you want to offset, either inside or outside. So in this case, I want it to be outside. I click anywhere outside. All right, so this is how you do an offset of a distance 15 millimeter.